Hello everyone, welcome to Olive Board. My name is Varsha Diman. So here we are going to talk about the junior assistant accounts vacancy that is released by Cotton Corporation of India in the year 2026. So we are going to discuss about the management subject and the organizational behavior and the organizational management portion, like how you have to cover this portion. Like I'll be providing what are the important portions here and what kind of approach you can follow to cover your management portion specifically for this particular post, right? So let's start our discussions. Before going ahead, aspirant, okay, let me inform you this is a complete course, Junior Assistant Accounts, that is available on the application of Oliboard. So you guys can take the help of this course to do your preparation, as the syllabus of accounts is very vast and we are having only limited like 45 to 50 days to cover the whole syllabus. So you need to prepare a very good strategy so that you will be able to cover the whole syllabus in a very well manner before your examination, right? So as considering the 2025 notification, okay, this year as a notification was released on 9th of July, last date of form filling is 24th of July. So we can expect that we can have our exam either in the first week or the second week of September 2026, or like around 7, 8, 9 September we can have our examination. So we are having nearly 45 to 50 days to cover the whole syllabus, and the exam pattern is quite updated. Like there is a specific portion that is for basic knowledge of computer proficiency. Like you need to cover that portion also. Considering the same post that we are discussing here, like junior assistant accountant, so there are total 50 number of vacancies here. And if I talk about the eligibility criteria, so BCom from any recognized university with an aggregate of 50% marks is the educational qualification that you should have. Upper age limit is 30 years, and this is the exam pattern. So if you look at the subject knowledge, there will be 60 questions or 60 marks. Like this, these all five subjects are of six, covering the 60 marks, and the remaining 60 marks is covered by the subject knowledge. So there are different portions under the subject knowledge, like financial accounting, cost accounting, that you need to cover. Okay, like specific classes will be organized to cover all these portions here. Let's talk about the portions that I am going to cover for you, right? So I'll be here providing you the lectures related to the organizational theory. As the syllabus is very vast, so we cannot afford to skip any portion. Okay, so under the organizational theories, we are going to discuss about nature and concept of organization, external environment of organization like technological, social, political, economical, and legal environment, organizational goals like primary goals and secondary goals, single and multiple goals, and management by objectives. Okay, like at the same time, we are talking about the organizational behavior, and other way, we are talking about the fundamentals of the management. Like the management by objectives will be included here. Evolution of organizational theories. So we will discuss about classical theories, neoclassical theories, and the systems approach of management. Modern concepts of organizational theories, organizational design, organizational structure, and organizational culture will be covered. Under the organizational design, like what will be our main focused portion. So under the organizational design, we'll talk about the basic challenges, differentiation and integration processes, centralization and decentralization processes, centralization, formalization, and mutual adjustment, coordinating formal and informal organizations, mechanistic and organic structures, designing organization. So these portions are included under organizational design. If I talk about organizational structure, so here we'll talk about authority and control, line and staff functions, specialization and coordination, types of organization structure, functional, right? Under that, metric structures, project structure, nature and basis of power, sources of power, power structure and politics, impact of IT on organizational design and structure, and managing organizational culture. Okay, so this is how your syllabus is divided. It seems to be that the syllabus is quite easy to do, but there are so many important lectures that we have to take so that our all portions will be completed in a very well manner. Apart from this, there will be good portion under organizational behavior, where we will be discussing about the meaning and concept individual in organizations, personalities, theories and determinants, perception, meaning and process. Motivation will be covered here, the concept of motivation, the theories of motivation and how they are applied. Leadership theories and styles, qualities of work, quality of work life, meaning and its impact on performance, ways of its enhancement, quality circles, meaning and their importance, management of conflicts in organizations, transactional analysis, organizational effectiveness, and management of change. So, that will be covered under organizational behavior. Then we will be having one more portion here that is related with the human resources management. So, meaning, nature, and scope of human resource management, human resource planning, job analysis, job description, job specification, recruitment process, selection process, orientation and placement, training and development process, performance appraisal, and 360-degree feedback, salary and wage administration, job evaluation, employee welfare, promotion, transfers, and separation. So, this is the whole portion under the management subject, particularly that you need to cover for this post. Okay, and I'll be taking good number of classes to cover all these portions in depth so that it would be easy for you to cover this portion before your examination, as your subject knowledge will be having total 60 questions. Okay, and there are good portions under your finance side or account side that you have to cover, so we can expect nearly 15 to 20 questions from the syllabus that I had discussed here. So you cannot afford to miss this particular portion from your revision part, right? So this portion we will be covering here. There will be good number of classes. I'll take some sessions on YouTube also. For now, what I can suggest you, like I'll be taking some sessions on weekly basis so that the things will be revised well before your examination. But still, if you guys are having any query, drop your doubts in the comment box so that I'll organize specific sessions to cover your queries after that, right? And this is a complete course aspirant that is available on the application of Oliboard. So you guys can be the part of this complete course for junior assistant accountant so that all of your portions will be covered well before your examination. And you guys can connect with me on this Telegram channel as well. Thank you so much. All the very best.